Welcome back to Genius Junkie, your hub for all things Canva. Today, we're diving into the world of genealogy with a creative twist, designing a family tree chart using Canva. Whether you're capturing your ancestry or creating a special gift, this tutorial will show you how to design a stunning family tree with ease. Let's start by logging into Canva. Once you're in, type Family Tree in the search bar. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates that make the process super simple and quick. Choose a template that suits your style. Whether you prefer something minimalistic or more detailed, Canva's templates have got you covered. Today, I'm selecting a classic family tree template that's easy to customize. Customizing the template. Now comes the fun part, customization. Begin by clicking on the text boxes to edit names, relation names, and any other details you want to include. You can also upload photos of your family members and drag them into the placeholders within the template. If you need to rearrange elements, simply click and drag them into place. Canva's alignment tools are incredibly helpful for keeping everything neat and orderly, ensuring your family tree is easy to follow. Adding design elements. Want to add a bit of personality? You can easily incorporate additional design elements like icons, lines, or even a meaningful background. Canva's library is packed with options that can help you make your family tree truly unique. Adjusting colors and fonts. Next, let's play with colors and fonts. Customizing these elements can help your family tree stand out or reflect your family's heritage. You can choose from Canva's wide range of color palettes and font styles to match your vision. Final touches and download. Once your design is complete, take a moment to double-check all the details. When everything looks perfect, click Share at the top right corner, then Download. Choose your preferred format, like PDF or PNG, and hit the Download button. Now you have a beautiful, custom family tree chart ready to be printed, framed, or shared with your family. And that's how you create a stunning family tree chart in Canva using a template. It's a quick and meaningful project that anyone can do. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!